amount of corn chips dispensed into 24-ounce bag by dispensing machine has been identified as possessing a normal distribution with mean of 24.5. So this is our mean, 24.5, and we are given that it's possess a normal distribution, and standard deviation is given as 0.2 ounces. So what chip amount represent 67th percentile of the weight, right? So first, like, so what 67th percentile means that, so 67% below this one, so this would be 67th percentile, so this would be cutoff point where 67% are below that and the remaining 33% are above this one, right? And because it's a normal distribution, so if we draw the curve, so it would come up like this one, say, right? And 67% is, assume that it's here somewhere. So this is 67 percentile, right? So it means that the area, right? So this X we have to find. So this area is 67% or 0.67, and the remaining 0.33 would be on this side. And we have to find Z for this one, X, right? X value, what this weight. So X is representing here the weight. And we are given that it's mean here, right? So mean in the center here. So mean is given as 24.5, right? So we can label this one. So mu is equal to 24.5. So what we do is that we go back in the table and see that, so when this area is on the left is 0.67, so what would be Z value? So we compute Z first, right, from the table. And once we have this one, so then we would use this equation, the same one that we are using earlier, that X minus mu by sigma is equal to Z, for example, this one. So, right, so to find Z, and if I rewrite it for X, so this would become X is equal to mu plus Z sigma. So if I solve this equation for X, so then this would become this one. So what I would do is that I have given this value for mean, this one here, and I have given this value for standard deviation, this one here, right? This is standard deviation. We are given this one, and then I find the value from Z from the table, and then I plug in there mu, sigma, Z, and then I compute X. Right? So now go to the table and quickly find what the Z is when area on the left is 0.67. So look for area 0.67. Here you can see this one. This is 0.67 area, 0.67. And this is corresponding to, so 0.4, and the next digit is 0.4, right? So 0.44. So Z is 0.44. So now just plug in this equation. So our X would be then, so mu was this one, so 24.5. And Z is 0.44, and sigma is this one here, right? So 0.2. So this would turn out to be, so X is equal to, after simplification, so 24.588.